So guess what? We have WAPA connected. I mean, the request was accepted. So now we have WAPA formally processing the connection for our electricity. So it's a great day. Now I just need to buy a car. Trying to find a truck, but island cars are really difficult to buy. They're expensive. They're not available all the time. And when they become available, usually there is a problem. But good news today, I found Vietnamese food, Saigon Deli, here in St. Croix. You can just Google it. It's near Five Corner. And it's owned by a Vietnamese person, so it's real. And take a look. It is awesome. It is really awesome. They have boba. It is really good. I already tried the food. It's delicious. The drinks are awesome. And it's really beautiful. And the food is real good. And they have booze. You should come here and try. Guys, I think this pho was probably the most authentic, loaded, delicious pho that I got. It is tasty. Lots of onions, basil, meat. It is delicious. You should try.